If you own an Xbox controller, at one point or another, you've likely experienced stick drift, which is a pretty easy issue to fix if you know how to do it. But I never expected I'd find videos online telling people to use a butter knife and duster blaster to fix stick drift. Now you're probably wondering, what do you need the butter knife for? Well, this has to do with using the butter knife to try and wedge out the analog stick without taking off the faceplate for the controller. Now, I attempted to do this. I do not recommend you try it. You're likely going to damage your analog stick, which I actually ended up doing. And some people in the comments might say, well, you did it wrong. You're not supposed to do it this way, that way. Honestly, guys, I would not recommend you do this. Even if you somehow manage to get out the analog stick without breaking it, ultimately you're going to have to put it back in, and then you risk again damaging your analog. So once I gave up attempting to get this analog stick out with the butter knife, you can see that it is damaged. We've managed to bend the inside piece. So I took it apart to assess the damage, and when I took off this analog stick, you can see that the inside is all bent. So this is pretty much done for. I might have to order another piece, but in the meantime, I did put it on the other side, and it seemed to work okay once I bent it back a little bit. But 10 out of 10, do not recommend.